Hey everybody, we are day 2 at ISE, only day 2,
Yeah, I
feels
know.
like it's been so busy. I'm sure the numbers are busier than last year. Rich, how's Shaman?
It's been amazing so far. Like it's been packed all day yesterday, and today it's just been nonstop. I'm still on my feet but it's been an amazing reception so far.
Awesome. For those that don't know you, and as of recently, a new promotion as well.
Yeah, I guess promotion, if you can say that.
Tell me about your role.
So I lead product management for the video devices for Cisco collaboration, based out of Oslo, Norway.
Awesome. So some announcements today that are pertinent to the Microsoft community,
Yep.
and I guess we'll start with the new G2.
Yeah, the new Desk Pro G2. So this is the first device which has MDEP certified. It's actually orderable now and shipping basically at this moment in time. And this obviously, if you know the Desk Pro G1, first edition, that device was not really built for the huddle room kind of use cases. It made it work in those use cases.
Yeah.
So we certified it for those use cases. This device has been built from the ground up, thinking about not just the desk space, but also that focused huddle room use case. So now we have a dual camera system, an extra 10 degrees FOV. So now we can really solve those needs just for single people.
So for the huddle, you can sit fairly close to it and still get
correct.
the decent,
So now actually we have the ability with the camera to not just have like the portrait mode, we can bring frames and group shot. So all the AI features from the room devices can now work on the desk device in these focused huddle spaces.
And even though it's called Desk Pro, this can VESA wall mount as well, can't it?
Correct. Yeah. So full VESA compatible, VESA wall mount, express install, like kind of compatible, because this is like you out of the box, you put a cable in and it's done. Like there's no need to worry about anything else.
As express can get.
Exactly. How can you get anything? I actually challenged someone the other day. I said, I can do this in 5 minutes. It took me a minute to plug a cable and now I'm done.
Awesome. And what are we going to see next?
Yeah. So we're going to go around to the RoomKit Pro G2. Right. So this is the new RoomKit Pro G2. This is the most powerful, flexible NVIDIA-based GPU in the collaboration market. Also, MDEP. So this is also now bringing the MDEP feature to the large room environment, which means that we can now solve like IP connectivity with like 4 cross-view cameras. We can also connect Cisco switching to expand to 8 Ceiling Microphone Pros.
So this is the first time we're seeing MDEP and NVIDIA as well all working together.
Yes, this is the first MDEP, NVIDIA, Microsoft, Cisco partnership, so to speak. And actually, this is now something, we're not saying this is going to come out in 2 years from now. This is shipping in April.
Nice. And so what new features does this bring to the party?
Yeah, so the original Codec Pro was the integrated codec. It let you bring, HDMI, analog inputs, really mix and match for all those boardroom, high impact spaces, training rooms, auditoriums, etc.
Yeah.
So we brought all the value of the analog world, but we've also now brought 8 PoE ports for IP connectivity, IP peripherals, but also a 10 gigabyte Ethernet port to extend into a Cisco switch, which means because the world of IP isn't going down, it's growing.
Yeah.
So as we add more peripherals in the future, we're going to need more network ports. So how can you be limited by 1 gigabit Ethernet? We can now do 10 gigabit Ethernet in those environments.
Yeah, this feels like a big trend for the industry is IP for everything, PoE for everything.
Yes, and we're seeing a massive boom in that market. Like our Cisco Ceiling Microphone Pro, it's been doubling in volume year over year. Like, so we see a lot of interest in that space because, the Ceiling Microphone Pro is you plug and play. 1 click, boom, it's done. There's no need to do configuration, put beams in, so we can capture 8 people's voices with one microphone.
Again, this feels like a design philosophy for you guys is to just keep simplifying.
So actually, it's very interesting you said that. And this is something I've realized the last couple of days at the show here, is that we're really, I would say, disrupting and simplifying the large, high impact spaces. Because those have been primarily very custom with like extenders and all this.
Yeah.
But IP is how do we reduce the TCO for the customer? Be like, you don't need all this complexity because it can be thousands and thousands of dollars to put extenders in.
Yeah.
And also you're adding more points of failure.
Yes, that's the big thing is the point of failure, particularly when you've got smaller operational teams that are managing, global environments. Anything they can remove that is a possible point of failure is a bonus.
Exactly. So with that note, we should go to our control hub desk. Because when you think about this device here, what's the most important thing for admins? Availability. Can you see it? Can you manage it? So we walked around here to our Control Hub booth, and Control Hub is our single pane of glass management platform that allows you not to just manage devices, but also manage the entire workplace and workspace. But what we did at this show, we announced a very awesome new feature called AI Agent Integrations, which is basically agentic ops. What is agentic ops? What does that mean? It means you can get all the value of Control Hub now through MCP directly into your AI tools of your choice.
Oh,
that could be like Amazon Quick. It could be Microsoft Copilot. So now you can start asking natural language questions. For example, what happened in London at 2 p.m. yesterday? you can ask the Control Hub Copilot integration that question,
That's so
and it
cool.
will go look at Thousand Eyes. It will go look at the network integration. It will go find that troubleshooting memory to be like, oh, there was an issue with the network in your service provider at this time or something like that. Or you can also ask questions like room booking. How many rooms in New York were booked the last month? How many ghost meetings were there? So we can not just be on device management, but also workplace management.
And this is all, I'm in MTR mode, I'm on MTR gear, still the management layer will
Agnostic,
work.
any platform, whether you're a Microsoft, Zoom, WebEx, whatever you're using on our devices, you can use these features. Control Hub is agnostic. So we're extending Control Hub into all the chat GPT AI tools.
Awesome. That's amazing. Well, thanks for catching up, Rich.
No,
and
thank you so
congrats
much.
on the new role. Talk
Thank you
soon.
so much.
Cheers.